Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fill up the Black & Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron with water, and I'll go through this step by step, and please refer to the use and care manual on the Black & Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron for all of the specifics, and make sure that you take all safety precautions. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is to make sure that the iron is unplugged and cooled all the way down, which my iron is. We also are going to need a clean measuring cup with normal tap water, which I have here. And it says in the use and care manual that this iron is designed to use normal tap water. And please refer to the use and care manual for all of the specifics on that. There is a max line right here. So we want to fill the water up to the max line right here. We do not want to overfill it. So let me get us a closer look at the iron now, and we'll fill it up with water. Okay, so right here is where the water fill opening is, and this is where we're going to add water into the iron. And when we do this, we're going to tilt the iron like so, and we want to add water slowly into the water fill opening. If you try to add water too fast, it will overflow out of the top of the water fill opening. Okay, so I have the iron tilted. Let me get the measuring cup with water here, and I'm just going to slowly pour the water into the water fill opening. And you just want to be careful not to spill the water, and also making sure that you do this slowly so the water doesn't overflow out of the top of the water fill opening. And then once we have all the water in from the measuring cup here, we'll take a look at how far that filled up the water tank on the iron. And we still have a little ways to go to get to the max fill line. So let me fill the measuring cup back up with normal tap water, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to tilt the iron again and just add a little bit more water to the water fill opening until we get to the max fill line there. And you just want to make sure that you don't overfill the iron. You don't want to go past the max fill line. So let's take a look here. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see in there, but the water is right at the max fill line. It might even be a little bit below the max fill line, but that's okay because I don't want to go past the max fill line. I don't want to overfill the iron. So I'm going to leave it right where it is. All right, guys, well, that was it for this video, and I hope it's been helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I do have another video on the Black & Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron where I give my review on it and I test it out and see how well it works. And if you're interested in watching that video, I will link that video at the end of this one. So if you are interested and you have time, please check that video out. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.